Hi Coffee Beans! How's it brewing? I'm here with another doll video, but this one's a little different. I took part in a RetroDollsUS Swap, which means that we get matched up with somebody else in the doll customizing community. We make a doll that we like after a theme, and then we trade. The theme for this swap was Decora, and I decided to do Decora Kai, which is a lot of rainbows and kind of kawaii stuff, because that really fit my personality more. For the first time ever, I filmed my entire process for how I made my Decora doll. I know that some of the other artists involved in this swap did some different themes of Decora. I did Decora Kai, but some others did space Decora, gothic Decora, futuristic Decora, a lot of different kinds. And I was really only familiar with Decora Kai, so it's been very interesting to see what everyone's come up with. Usually our partners are secret, so in this case I didn't know who I was sending to until the end, and I didn't know who was sending me their doll. Usually it's random, like I'll send my doll to somebody and then I'll get somebody else completely different. I'll get their doll to me. But today I was so excited to get a knock on my door, especially because we're all in quarantine right now. I got a knock on my door and I got my doll! I'm so excited I got her. What's funny is the doll that I made was for Nellie, or Honey Peach doll. And the doll that I received is from Nellie. So we ended up not knowing, making dolls for each other. So I'm really excited to open this up and see what I got. I absolutely love this wrapping paper. It is so stinking cute. They're like little pastel hamsters? Or gerbils? I think they're hamsters. They're so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it open, kind of like a Christmas present. I'm not really sure which side is up, but this was the top of the wrapping on the box, so I assume it's the top of the package. It's weird because it's the bottom of an Amazon box, so plus I'm trying to be really careful to not show the address. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm too excited. Do you think this is the bottom or the top? I think this might be the bottom. Let me flip it back over. I can't. Okay, let me go ahead and take this note out. I'm gonna read that. Look at her cute business card. Oh my goodness. Nellie, your business cards are so nice. So I read Nellie's note to me and it's so sweet. But she told me everything that she included. So she told me what little candies she included. And then also that she included some extra Decora accessories, which was really smart. I didn't even think about that. But look at this. Oh my goodness. She made a little picture of the doll and a little bio. And I love it because she's holding a hot glue gun. Oh, it's so cute. I might cry. Anyway, this is a little biography about my doll. So it says, "Hello there, my name is Malin, and it's so nice to meet you." She's Malin. Her age is 27. Her sign is Pisa, which I'm assuming is Pisces. She works as a prop maker in Sweden, which I love. And her hobby is fashion. This says bedazzlina, which maybe Nellie, you can tell me, is that bedazzling? I'll show you what bedazzling is. But if not, tell me what that is. And she's into anime. It says, about me. Hi, I'm Malin and I live in cold Sweden. I work as a prop maker and mostly on kids shows, which are my favorite. Otherwise, I love anime, food, swimming, talking, and fashion. I love cute fashion like Decora Kai, Lolita, and working as a prop maker. I try to combine the cute and the practical. Also, giant sweaters because Sweden is cold. Anyway, now you know about me, and I'm looking forward to being your friend. Hugs and kisses, Malin. This is so cute, and I already feel a connection to this doll without seeing what she looks like. Because, girl, I love the hot glue gun. I'm into Decora and Lolita, and I used to be in theater. I still do cosplay, so I'm a huge prop and costuming and fashion person, and so is my husband, who's really good at making props. So I feel like Malin could absolutely be one of my friends that I would hang out with. Okay, now is the moment of truth and opening up this box. I already see some candies, and I have my little cheat sheet that was her note that tells me what everything is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, these are like gummies. Favorite mix. Got and Blondit? Blondit? Let me see what it says. She said got and Blandot with all them good choices. So maybe it's just like all the different flavors. So I'll have to open that up and try them. Why does this look familiar? Moomin. Why does Moomin look so familiar? It says Moomin is Finnish, but it's kind of Swedish too, in my opinion. Interesting, and these are gummies too. The good thing about these candies is I'm allergic to nuts and shellfish and like shrimp flavored things, so gummy candies or hard candies are the way to go for me. So thank you so much, Nellie. I can already tell that she's a Laguna Blue because I can see her hand. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here's all the little extras, which is so thoughtful, Nellie. Thank you. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Whoa. Those are so pretty. Ooh, stop it. Oh my gosh. Oh, girl, I am making a necklace for myself out of these. These are so cute. Little extra half dome beads. Oh my goodness. Little fruit canes. They're like little food polymer clay canes. Oh my gosh. Stop it. I see the giant sweater. I can't. Okay, oh my gosh, I can't. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Nellie. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Can you make me a human-sized one? Because I would absolutely wear this. Okay, we got her stand, which is perfect. Okay, girl, what else you got in there? Oh, we got a cute little comb to brush her hair out. We got some like fairy glitter in a little bottle. And we got this, stop it, Nellie, stop it. We got this adorable bracelet, and it has a rabbit on it, which is perfect for me because I love bunnies. And it kind of looks like it might be the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Oh, I'm wearing this. Yes. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm so excited. There's even more. Okay, wait. Malin, you're gonna have to wait. Look at this skirt. Oh my goodness. I can do costume changes. Oh, girl. Yes. And what is this guy? Stop it. Stop. There's a little pom-pom earring. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are going in. I am wearing these. Okay, I think this is like the third or fourth time I've said this, but really, the moment of truth. Look at how cute she is. There's an M&M on her pants. Oh, I can't even. Oh my gosh. Look at her overalls. Oh my goodness sakes. Look at her little name badge. Because she works in a studio for a kids show. At least that's what I assume. Oh my gosh. Look at her face. Nellie, she is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. Look at these little bracelets. And her sweaters are rainbow. And look at her adorable shoes. Oh my gosh, I can't. You know what I love? Because she's probably covered in hot glue and spray adhesive, but she also works on a kid's show. So it looks like just walking through the set or sitting down on anything, and she's already kind of sticky from the spray adhesive and hot glue, and she got candy stuck to her. That's what it looks like. This is so precious. Oh my goodness. Look at these overalls. I cannot believe this. They're like little pockets? Stop it. Oh, I keep seeing something new. Oh my gosh. Like this skirt, I can already tell would go with this sweater because it's all white with the rainbow. And then this could also go with the overalls or that. Oh my gosh. Nellie, Nellie, Nellie. This is amazing. I cannot even. Oh my gosh. I love her so much. And I am rocking these poofy earrings because, girl, I don't usually wear big earrings, but with my purple hair, I kind of dig it. So that's amazing. But I am so in love, if you couldn't tell already from how much I was squeeing as I was opening. And when I say I almost started to cry, I legitimately almost started to cry. I could feel it behind my eyes. I love her so much. I thought I would take this chance too to try the different candies that Nellie sent to me. So we have these two different kinds. Moomin, which looks so familiar to me and I don't know why, but these flavors, one thing I thought was cool is there's no gelatin, so it's all natural. There's strawberry, orange, pear, and pomegranate. Orange and yellow look very similar. Red is the strawberry, so let's try that. What flavor? I mean, I know it's strawberry, but it tastes like a candy that we have here. And I can't place it. Let's try orange, which is orange. This is driving me nuts because these taste like a candy that we have here in the States. Oh no, orange. That's an orange starburst. Delicious. Yellow, which is a flavor. Pear. Pear is very mellow. It doesn't really... Oh! The aftertaste. The aftertaste is definitely pear. Oh! I just popped out of my mouth. That flavor, that was green, which is pomegranate? Why is pomegranate green? That doesn't taste like pomegranate. And why is pomegranate green? I'm not sure what that was. Not sure. It's delicious, but I don't know what flavor it's supposed to be. Now we have the Got and Blandat. And I don't know if this lists what flavors are in here. Uh-oh, licorice. I'm not a big licorice fan. I bet you there's like these dark, like black colored fish in here. I bet you those are black licorice. I am not a black licorice fan, but let's see. Well, that's red. It looks like a strawberry, so. Ooh. Ooh. That's delicious. Probably because it's super artificial. What's this one? It's the logo on the bag. But I don't know what this is supposed to be. Oh. My teeth aren't strong enough for this candy. Oh, it's really good though. Pear? I'm not sure what flavor that was. I think this is supposed to be, blackberry maybe? And this one's just regular raspberry. Yep. I don't know if I want to eat this one. It looks like black licorice. I do not like black licorice. I'm nervous about this one too, because it's like half red and half black. I have a soda with me, so I can drink that if this is not a flavor I like. I'm scared. Ooh, I don't know what that was. I did not like it. Oh, no ma'am. Ugh. Yucky. Okay, I'm positive this is black licorice, which... No. No. I feel like I was doing the Harry Potter Birdie Box every flavor beans. Oh, I can still taste it. No, ma'am. Oh, God. Ugh. What flavor is that? Ew. It tasted like salty. I don't know. It tasted like salty, not like licorice. And now it's stuck in my teeth. Nellie received my doll in the mail as well, and she filmed an unboxing. So make sure you go check that out, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. I'm new to filming my doll customizations, but she has plenty of videos on her channel for you to check out. She's so talented, if you couldn't tell. If you'd like to see what I've been working on for my videos, make sure you check me out on Instagram at BunnieDIY. And I'd love to see any crafts you're working on, so make sure you use hashtag BunnieDIY on Instagram, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks everyone! Love you a latte!